Hey folks, Vasant Saravanan here. Hope you're all doing well. I'm sure this pandemic is going crazy day by day. The news that we get to hear every day is so devastating. To know about that, lakhs and lakhs of people are dying, people are getting unemployed. Situation has let down freelancers and entrepreneurs. Uh, yeah, I'm unemployed too. So, regardless of this tough times, we have to stay creative. As artists, it is really tough to stay creative at lockdown times. Yeah, I do agree. But let me tell you few points that I think why this lockdown is a perfect time to stay creative. This lockdown is like you are confined at your own space, so it's a lot of personal time, and you can get to try what you have never ever tried. You can do something that you always wanted to do. You can perfect an art that you have been not very good at it. You can keep practicing it again and again, over and over again, because you're not delivering it to anyone, you're just doing it for your own happiness. I feel this lockdown is a perfect time to get your nuances up in the level and make a big difference. If you're not an artist yet, I think this lockdown is a perfect time to get art going in your everyday lifestyle. As a photographer and owning a big studio space, this pandemic is quite a big hit on me. But I mean, keeping that aside, I wanted to stay creative because I've been shooting like literally like every day, and not shooting anything just makes me go crazy about it. So I started, adapting to this concept called virtual photo shoot. Yes, as long as it sounds crazy, it was really fun to do when I started it. And after a couple of shoots, it is more or like just taking screenshots, asking model to set the camera up, do your lighting part of it, and you'll be doing screenshot from your end, the conceptualizing everything. You guys have to do it together like a normal shoot. But I kind of felt it was not really creative from my end. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to implement flat lay. I want to do that for a long time, so I took this as an opportunity, do a concept where the phone was flat laid onto a concept, and I made pictures, and I really liked it. It was very creative. It was getting me running all through the day, and I was literally shooting like every day. So I felt it was a great change from the style that I used to do. So I hope you guys could start something like this that you always wanted to do. I mean, you can always blame that I don't have things like this, things like that to start, but you can start somewhere, right? We can start something basic. That where the skill set lies in. If everything is stuck, you are just left with only few variables. That is the most interesting part, and that make you think in all different possibilities that you would want to make use of it. So, as the great saying goes, it's cliche, but then art heals everything. Yes, it does. Staying creative changes the way that we see this lockdown, and hopefully, when this pandemic is over, we'll come out with flying colorful butterflies. This is what I just want to convey through this video, and catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay home, stay creative.